Hi, I'm showing how to make pork gyoza. Everybody loves Japanese style gyoza, so try to make them at home. You can make them with your kids together or your lovely partner. They are not too difficult to make it, so have fun. Chop the Chinese cabbage, or you can use regular cabbage if you want. Remove the white parts and chop the garlic chives. Chop the spring onion. Put all the chopped vegetable in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, rub well, then leave it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, wash the vegetable until the salt taste is gone. Squeeze the vegetable to remove any remaining moisture. Add 250 grams of pork mince. Add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1.5 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix well until the mix is almost like a paste. Dust a tray with starch and spread it evenly. Place a small amount of the filling in the center of a gyoza pastry and hold the pastry like you see here. When you're done, place the gyoza on the dusted tray. You will need water in a bowl to wet the edge of the gyoza pastry to help it stick together. Making the sauce, squeeze the lemons. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of doubanjiang. You can buy doubanjiang at the supermarket or Asian shops. Add 1.5 tablespoons of oil to a fry pan and turn heat to between mid and high. Before the pan gets too hot, add gyoza to the fry pan. Cook the gyoza until gyoza's bottom is a nice brown color. Add 120 ml of water to the fry pan and cover with a lid. Reduce the heat to mid to low. Cook until the water in the fry pan is gone. Add 1 tablespoon of rice oil again on the gyoza. This will make it easy to remove the gyoza and make the bottom a little crunchy. Using a tool to free the gyoza from the pan, or move the fry pan until your gyoza is moving. Once the gyoza are free, put a plate on the fry pan and flip the fry pan, leaving the gyoza on the plate. Be careful, the fry pan is hot. So, what do you think? Is it too difficult? If you have any question, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!